Devi Rani is a young professional, expressionist painter. From early childhood she was highly influenced by the beauty of the famous folk arts of Bihar, also known as Madhubani painting. She started experimenting with lines of popular Madhubani painting of her native place. She likes to work on both figurative, human expression-based compositions and landscapes using her unique style. She uses designs in her composition both in subject and background, which gives it a royal appearance and traditional elegance. Her different series on landscapes, mother and child, Radha and Krishna, king and queen, and male and female and animals were painted simply using two-dimensional form with flat color application. With very few shade and light effect and an emphasis of the fine lines, Devi Rani has received several awards and has achieved much critical acclaim, popularity and appreciation over the past few years. Her artworks can be found with numerous private and public collectors in India and abroad.